The best thing about filming from the shoulders up is you get to wear sweatpants. Today's video is going to be a simple makeup look. I don't know if I've already done this yet. It's possible that I've done this, but it was like last year or something that I did it, or it was a while back. But I recently just filmed a favorites and fails video for October, and I basically talked about a lot of products that I used doing the simple makeup looks, because I hadn't, in the month of October, I hadn't been wearing a lot of makeup just because it's just, I just haven't had a lot, you know, of extra time to do makeup. I've been slacking, and yeah, I've just been, it's just when it turns cold, you just don't want to get out of your bed, and so you stay in there as long as possible. And then you don't have any time to do like your hair and makeup. You just throw on some warm sweatpants and then you're out the door if you're like me and you have class that morning, or you have to get up and go to work. I'm sure the only thing you're caring about right then is your coffee. So, but I kept the makeup at a minimal just because I felt like, you know, sometimes it's good for your skin to not wear a lot of makeup. And yeah, I needed to break a little bit. And I was liking the whole like simple like makeup look. It was easy and it didn't take a lot of time. So if you like these videos, then you should give this video a thumbs up. And if you would like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that, and you could be a part of this amazing family on here. And follow me on my social media, because I post when I'm gonna put new videos on there, and I share my ideas and see what you guys want to see on there as well. Okay, so this video has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I used a total of 6 products for this makeup look, and a total of 3 brushes and 1 beauty blender. That's it. So I'm gonna scoot up a little bit. Just, you know, ignore the bags under my eyes. I'm going to go onto my face with the Proactive Nourishing Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. Looks like that. And if I don't mention the product name, it'll be in the description box down below. But you can use whatever primer you would like to use. I'm just using this one because it like hydrates my face, and this is like the Deluxe sample size. So I'm using this because it hydrates my face, and I need that in the winter when it gets cold. And then I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Stick Foundation. I have found that using a stick foundation makes it so much faster to put on foundation. I freaking love this, and this is in the shade Porcelain, so just, you know. And they have a pretty good, decent shade range, and this is for, let's see. And I'm using a E.L.F Ultimate Blending Brush to just blend it into my skin. And it's just so fast and easy to put on. Just super fast and easy, and blends pretty well, I think. And it's nothing like extremely full coverage, but when you're going for something really light, you don't need like extreme full coverage, I don't think. Just something to even your skin out a little bit and stuff like that. So Alright, so now I'm going in, and all these products are like drugstore affordable prices, so you don't have to go like spend a ton of money to get a simple makeup look. Next I'm going to use this Photofocus concealer in the shade Light Ivory, and it's from Wet n Wild. Don't know if I said that or not, but I'm just going under my eyes with the concealer. And then I'm gonna wet my beauty blender, which I have this right at my, like where I do my makeup. I fill it up with water, take my sponge, and I just go like that. Got this at Dollar Tree. It makes it like I don't have to get up, run to the bathroom, you know, because I don't do my makeup in the bathroom because we only have one bathroom, and I still live at home, and I just don't want to start doing my makeup and then have to get out of the bathroom. So I just do everything in my room. Okay, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer right here on my nose and a little bit on the top, just because I tend to get a lot of redness in the crevices of my nose right there. That's where a lot of my discoloration is. And on the top, like my nose turns red a lot. Don't know why, just does. Alrighty, next thing is I'm going for a total natural brow. I'm just going to take a spoilie, which is the third brush. The first brush that we will be using, the second brush we'll be using in this look. And I'm just, you know, straightening them out, combing them, making sure they're all going the same way. Kind of giving them a shape, a little bit of a shape. This might not work for everybody, just kind of depends on like how full your eyebrows are and stuff, I guess. But my brush it still has a little bit of product on it from where I use it when I do fill in my brows. So it adds a little bit of color to them because the product that's still on there is coming off. So the next thing, which I got this in a BoxyCharm box, that's DLS Eyeshadow Crayon in the shade Illusion. You can probably, I think, order this offline. I think that's what it is. But, I mean, you can get any eyeshadow crayon. LA Girl sells them, Wet n Wild sells them, L'Oreal, Maybelline, like they all, like just go to the drugstore, you can find you one to add a little bit of color to your eyes. And I just go like this. Just to give my lids a little bit of color. And they also, like, this color is really good. It makes the white in my eyes like pop out. And then the next thing is mascara, which is, I'm using an E.L.F mascara just to, yeah. A little bit on the bottom. And then to give my cheeks a little bit of color, I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild blush that I have. Use a brush, and I'm just gonna contour with it, just give my cheeks a little bit of shape. and color, go along the edge.